Hey, hi team Manze. Thanks for everyone who showed up. It's not a trivial matter to find yourself in this position whereby everyone wants to understand which project that we have. So we're not going to take much of your time. So I'm going to take this time to introduce our lovely queen. So let's introduce Nadia Mukami.
Okay. First off, I'd like to say apologies for we're supposed to start earlier, but tukachelewa. So kwanza naomba apologies kwa kila mtu. Na the reason why we called this press is because Nadia Mukami is celebrating her 10th anniversary in the music industry. That is 10 years of Nadia Mukami. So on the 1st of August 2026, itakuwa on a Saturday, I will be doing my live show. It's a one-woman show ambayo inaitwa 10 years of Nadia Mukami. So it's the 10th anniversary of Nadia Mukami being in the music industry. And today we are officially flagging it off. We are officially saying the tickets, or rather making the tickets available to the masses, or rather to the public. And we are inviting everybody to come on board because 10 years is not a joke. 10 years as a female artist, 10 years becoming a mother, 10 years of consistency, 10 years of legacy, 10 years of hits is not a joke. So it's my big day. It's one of my biggest days. Apart from my birthday, my kids' birthdays, it's a big deal for me. It's a decade. So I'm inviting everybody, and I'm officially announcing that we shall be celebrating 10 years of Nadia Mukami. To assume tuko na
Tuko nayo. Tuko nayo tasa.
tumepop.
So
I'm smile. I was just trying to ease the tension.
okay, so we still have time to ask questions, at least one by one.
Yeah.
Sindio, so we'll be taking questions from where? Anyone who has a question first? See? Okay.
Nairobi Receipt hapa.
Okay.
Kwa miaka 10 ya Nadia Mukami
Yeah.
kama mwanadada
Yeah.
ukiwa katika sanaa
Yeah.
kuimba nyimbo, kuna changamoto mingi sana unapitia.
Yeah.
Kando na hayo wewe pia unalea pale.
Yeah.
Kando na hayo tuseme your husband pia anakuhusisha.
Yeah.
Tuelekeze kidogo changamoto ya pale mpaka sasa.
Okay, nilikuwa nangoja ndege ipite. So kwa sababu ameuliza na Kiswahili nitajibu na Kiswahili. So changamoto kubwa sana especially sisi wasanii wa Kenya, nitaongea kama msanii wa Kenya, huwa ni fedha. Hatuna wawekezaji wengi. We don't have a lot of investors. So inabidi kwamba you have to know how to split your money. Wale watu ambao zile shows ambazo unapata ama kazi ambazo unapata ndio you have to make it work. Tofauti na tuseme wasanii kutoka Congo, wasanii kutoka Nigeria ambao ndo mimi najua, ambao mimi nimeinteract na watu ambao wamewekeza pesa kwenye industries zao. So hapa Kenya hakuna wawekezaji wa mziki wazuri. So hiyo ndo changamoto kubwa. Imagine umeenda umelipwa show, hiyo show inafaa ilipe music videos, hiyo show inafaa ile watoto, hiyo show inafaa being a musician is very expensive. Hii nywele ni mtu nimelipa, makeup ni mtu nimelipa, hii outfit nikivaa leo kesho nikirudia mtantukana. So it's very expensive. Hiyo ndo changamoto kubwa zaidi. Then being a gig economy, sekta yetu inaharibiwa Kiswahili jamani, inaharibiwa na factors nyingi sana. So for instance, sasa tukiwa the election period, unapata watu wengi wanashikilia pesa, so gigs haziko kwa wingi. Watu corporate hawatoi pesa kwa sababu wanaogopa how the election period is going to be. Hata the period after elections unapata pia watu wanashikilia pesa, so unapata most of the time being a gig economy. Una smile kwa nini? Being a gig economy inabidi, yani what comes on the table is what you have to work with. La mwisho, changamoto ya mwisho naweza nikasema sisi wanawake, kwetu sisi kama wanawake inakuwa ni vigumu sana kucompete na the guys. Unaweza pata tu maybe una hits hata yani una hits nyingi than a male artist, lakini mtu anaona because you're just a woman akulipe vibaya ama kitu kingine. Ukienda kwenye show una hits kuliko mtu fulani, lakini yeye ndo afunge show kwa sababu he's a guy. So naweza sema sisi kama wanawake tunapambana sana, female artists tunapambana sana to make it work. Yes.
Okay. Naitwa Manu.
Okay. Sasa man.
Nimesema umejiji changamoto.
Yeah.
So nataka kuambia 10 years of Nadia.
Yeah.
Before relevant, all that time relevant. Tumezoea sana wafanya na 3 years, 4 years. Mchana shule nyingine. Wewe 10 years. Hili imekufanya sana kwa relevant.
Number one naweza sema I don't know kama nitakuwa na brag, but the focus has always been there. Changamoto ni nyingi. Going through postpartum, kujifungua na bado you go back to work is not something small. I'm telling you. There are times natoka klabu kuperform, naenda kubreastfeed, naenda kunyonyesha. Na nabidi na kesha. In the next morning lazima nipeleke teme mtoto wangu shule. I have to be present to both my kids and I still have to run a career, I still have to run a business. So naweza nikasema the focus, reminding myself why I'm here. Alafu kitu kingine, mimi si mtu ambaye nakatika moyo haraka. Yani before I'm heartbroken ile now I can't do this, sijui utakuwa umefanya nini. I'm a person who even when I fall I like to pick myself up. That's yani my friends like to tell me una move on haraka. Yeah, I think I like to move on from situations and very fast. I pick myself up.
You're doing 10 years.
Yeah.
If someone says, I want to buy the music catalog of Nadia, how much would you say?
Personally, I don't like to discuss figures, especially kama shows juu charge aje kwenye media ama on social media. I think that is more of a privatized conversation. Because that's how you break, that's when unasikiaga DM for prizes. That's how you break jokers. So ndo mtu mwenye ako serious anaweza kakufuata on the right channels. So in terms of kupeana pricing za vitu zangu, I'm not somebody mwenye nasemaga hitu hivyo. Yes. Yeah, okay. Sasa Shaka. Yeah.
Being in the industry for 10 years.
Yeah.
As a woman.
Yeah.
And I don't remember any time Nadia made a studio after performing a blog.
Yeah.
At least not even one that I know.
Yeah.
Speaking of some of the women in the music industry, what would you tell them keeps you releasing this something? One question. Two, on 10, on the 1st of August, maximum my fans like for shows because of course on history Kayuka mostly napata
of what happened. Yeah.
So my fans like and then my last question, I don't know kama itakuwa possible. Are you umetengeneza mambo na
Okay, nitaanza na your first question, which is ameuliza na breastfeed, so memory. Amesema nini?
Tuanze na ya mwisho.
Tuanze na ya mwisho.
Ama pia unaweza rudia tu.
Nikiingia studio nimekumbuka. What is different? Acha nianze na what is different. I'm going to be dancing more. I'm going to do more theatrical works. That is what we're going to be doing, and poetic stuff. So it's not the usual come niimbe niondoke. I'm going to be dancing more. I've been in the gym, I've started rehearsing. So it's not more of come sing, go. It's more of theatrical, poetic, band, choir, that kind of feel. So that is what something different that you should expect. The other thing you've asked about what the consistency and removing music and chucking music, that is, as I said, the focus. Alafu me, when it comes to my work, this is my office. That what I know how to do well, and kitu ambacho inanilisha. So I think I put my all into it, and hata nikienda studio na juanga, there can be a bad day in office. Naweza nikatoa nyimbo ukasema wewe mwenyewe ukasema Nadia hapa hapana, I don't like that topic, I don't like this. It's usual because you can't sing about the same thing, so you have to keep releasing. Hii kibako, keep releasing. Hii kiwork, keep releasing. So I feel it's just keep releasing the work. Naona ni kama Safaricom, I'll give an example of Safaricom. Acha tu nimdrop. Waweza kuwa na products nyingi, leo hii uka feel hii hapana, but they keep launching new products every time. Yeah. Oh. Mambo ya side chick. Ni mziki. Ni mziki, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So mzee amesema
Yeah.
mikateni
Yeah.
unafikiri kutafuta saidi wako itakuwa rahisi hamna kilabu
Side. Kutafuta side nayo hapana. I'm very focused. Nina vitu nyingi za kufanya. Nitatoa wapi hiyo time? When it comes, swali yako sijaelewa vizuri.
Nasema Kenya tunaona the biggest disadvantage for
Investors, yeah. Yeah.
But for sure people na mbaba pale mahali mziki ya rahisi.
No. No. At the end of the day naanzanga na ile focus uko nayo. Ukikuwa focus, unaweza pewa pesa, unaweza pewa milioni 10 ikakuchizisha and you do nothing about ukaiharibu. So I feel it's kwanza, what have you done with the little that you have? How have you managed the little that you get from shows, deals here and there, streaming? How do you handle that? So from there you learn how to work with it. So as nikasema, maybe another future generation will be advantaged enough to have that. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do this. Let's do this. We'll take 2 more questions because there's something going on. So we've not had females speaking. Can I get a female, please?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Hi, Vero.
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
And I have two questions actually. From the challenges that you spoke about,
Yeah.
about having investors.
Mm-hmm.
What can be done so that investors can support the nation?
Mm-hmm.
The other question is about how women struggle in the industry. I know the first one I say that as an artist in Kenya,
Yeah.
what can be done still so that women can be recognized
Yeah.
as artists like the men are?
Okay.
And also,
Mhm.
I just want to congratulate you and appreciate you how humble you are.
Thank you.
We saw an incident at a college
Yeah. Yeah.
when you knelt down
Yeah.
and apologized for being late.
No, it was not late.
Yeah.
It was lack of payment.
Lack of
I want to clarify that. There was payment wrangles. You see what the media picks is it was tulisumbuka sana for them to make the final payment. Ilibidi mtu mwingine akuja nilipe ndo nipande. So you can't explain that to the fans. So that is what happened. Yeah. It was payment wrangles, just to make it clear. Yeah. So nijibu swali yako ya kwanza, the investors issue. Number one, we lack proper structures. We've said that 1,000,001 times. Structures naanza, I don't know which body even currently that is paying the Kenyan royalties. Sijui, msiske iliachishwa. Yani, we lack proper structures. Number two, sisi kama wasanii pia, we need to be united. We have a proper artists union that tunaweza sema that all top artists, they can drop their ego, me included, to go and form an union so that hata tukiitwa. We had when the betting issues was up, there's a question that we were asked. Hata nikiongea naongea na Nadia, naongea na nani, naongea na ama nitakuwa naongea na union. So us as artists need to, especially the top artists, we need to form a union because hiyo ndo ita protect industry yetu, ita protect longevity in our industry. So we lack proper structures, artists, we lack a proper body to speak, whereby if you are a Kenyan musician, you need to be part of it so that ukikuwa na issue, how can we negotiate about betting? How can we negotiate about the alcohol issues? How can we negotiate about pricing range, standard pricing range? Wewe top artist msichukue less than this amount. Tukienda kwa show yenye iko na foreign arts usichukue below this amount. Kama wewe ni popping artist, kama wewe ni chatting artist, kama wewe ni there's so many avenues. We don't have we are very much, yes, industries are unstructured. The music business is very unstructured, but ours is very unstructured. You understand? And that's why unapata ukikuwa popping, that's the time you should make your most money. Now, what happens when the light has moved from you to person B? What happens? It means that you won't make as much money from the music. So that it's not about, I know when you're hot you think like, no, I don't need those things, I don't need union. But what, because kila mtu anakuaga na time yake. That is the reality. There's a Nadia time, there's a Nikita time, there's a Bridget time, there's a Njerai time. That is how the music industry works. What happens when the light is not shining that much on me? Will I still be able to make money from music? So that is the conversation that we need to be having. Now, how can I make money from the music industry? Even when I'm like, nachunga mbuzi zangu shago, niko na ka farmstead kangu, you know. So I feel like we need to have like a conversation as artists and form a better body. The other thing I'd say is for even the businesses out there to believe in us more. Music is paying. Then education, that's my most important part. Yeah, people who are working with us, everybody needs to understand their roles. If you're an artist manager, you need to get a certification. If you call to be asked about sync deals, to be asked about licensing deals, can you explain that without stammering? So we need to stop taking it as it's just a job like any other. If you are an artist manager, you're an artist PA, you need to understand the business. If you are a PR person, usiamke tu nilikuwa nafanya kazi juu wapi what are you doing to improve yourself? Even us as artists, what are we doing so that when we are having these conversations, we have proper answers and proper solutions to that. You know, okay.
Yes.
Jackie?
Last one. And Nadia, it's 10 years of being Nadia Mukami. On that day, are we looking forward to other artists performing? And also, you can welcome us to the show and tell us what we can get.
Okay, good question. Hi Jackie. Yes, so I'll be having other artists that I have collaborated with on that particular day, and tickets are going for 2,000 for regular and 5,000 for VIP. Then you can get the tickets at www.getpass.com. Umesema?
www.getpass.com.
Yes. Getpassticket.com. Yeah. Yes. So today I'm going to be putting the link of the tickets. Naomba mnisupport jamani. Si rahisi hata kidogo. It's not easy. It's not easy.
You're just a girl.
I'm just but a girl who's hustling,
Yeah.
trying to make bread. Mnisupport. Yeah.
Yes, I think one more question. One last question.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
First of all, I want to appreciate you for this.
Okay.
So my question is very fast.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think, because I know when you're growing up, you had your vision,
Yeah.
an artist,
Yeah.
maybe you wanted to achieve a lot in the music industry. So
Yeah.
according to your like, an artist,
Mm-hmm.
do you think you have achieved a lot when it comes to music industry?
Everybody has, you aim at the moon, you land at the stars, right? That's what they say. Ama it's the stars, you land at the moon. Hiyo quote
Yes,
inasonga
Joyce.
aje?
Yeah. Unaweza tuambia
Aim at the so that you land somewhere. I think I'm proud of myself first,
from
but from where I stand, but there's still room for more. There's still room for more. I'm proud of the consistency. I'm proud of 10 years. I'm still performing. I'm still releasing music, and you guys are vibing to it. 10 years, it's very hard, but I'm still pushing. So I can say I'm not where I would love to be, because pesa ndefu ndio aim, but niko mahali siwezi complain sana. Yeah.
So I know we have a lot of questions. I think tumaliza, but kuna ile swali moja ilikuwa ya mwisho, ile ilikuwa ya kwanza kabisa tutamaliza nayo as we close. So thank you very much for coming through. Thank you very much for getting this cutting. Thank you very much for pushing Nadia at 10 years. You need decade mzima manze.
Yeah.
Understand? So let's get the last question as we wrap up.
Nadia, kuna story niko trend pale mitandaoni
Mhm.
na lazima watu pia waweze kujua kuna pale ulipiga hiyo picha ya partner. Watu waliongea sana.
Yes.
Ungependa kusema hiyo siku, yani baada ya kumaliza miaka 10 kama Nadia kuongezeke pale.
Yeah.
Labda ndio unaenda kujivunia maana ungefanya.
It's a project nilianza kitambo. Actually, when I was pregnant with Kai, that's when I bought the land because it was very expensive. Nilipa pole pole hadi nikamaliza because ni shamba iko kwa barabara. So it was a neighbor of ours. I live in Mwehoko. Then later nikaanza through shows, unatupa hiyo, unanunua materials kidogo kidogo, approvals, hizo vitu zote. So it's a journey, ndio maana nimesema mtu asinipe pressure, and it's also something that I'm proud of, and I can't wait nimalize sasa. Yeah.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's been awesome. It's been a pleasure. Tunaweza clap sasa. Hiyo ndio time ya clap. You know I did. Thank you very much.